Hello and welcome to the Castle Hotel Wizard's Room. I know it's very dark, the lights are on. Here we start, this is the room tour and area tour. Here we start with the children's area. They've each got individual lights. You see? That's great for a night. There's no pull-out bed on this one. You see they've got the nice little TV area. Lego and a PlayStation, which the controllers are supposed to be there, but they're there. Moving on, we got some nice Lego themed things, and in there's a hunt which we're going to do shortly. Next is the bathroom. You can see it's quite a small bathroom, if I'm honest. That's the back. Nice size shower though. Your toilet. It's got the smaller seat on there as well, and your sour gel and oatmeal soap. Moving on, you've got some USB ports, Ethernet I believe that is, or a phone maybe, can't really see. Kettle, mirror, good size mirror, an espresso machine, TV, and the view which is of the castle, well, the outskirts. Then you've got bedside, and then the main thing, it's the big bed. You see it's got some nice lighting effects up there. See two bedside tables. Then here you have your air conditioning system. You see it's made by Mitsubishi. It's got set to 22, which I think is a bit too warm for me. We'll change that. Then here's another one where you got all the light switches. So you can put that one on. There's some light there. More Lego. That concludes our stay here at the Legoland Castle Hotel at Windsor. All in all, it was a great hotel. So breakfast is included in the price, but it was the service, I've got to be honest, we think they lost our ticket, so it took about 45 minutes when people who come in 20 minutes after us has already got their food and things. So it was a bit of a mess there. But they didn't tell us anything, so it would have been nice to just say, you know, hey, we lost a ticket. We hope you can, you know, we'll give you a free coffee or something. I drink apple juice only, but that's besides the point. But anyway, breakfast was great, the room was great. There's a few things I would fix about the room, like under the door, there's a gap and loads of light shines in through the night. So I would fix that, and the curtains just they weren't big enough for the window and light came in through there. But apart from that, it was a really great room. I would stay there again 100%, and yeah, highly recommend it. Remember, we stayed in the Wizard's Room. Apologise, it's been quite a short video tour. There just hasn't been a lot to show. A lot more of the entertainment things had been in the Legoland Hotel. But talking about the Legoland Hotel, there was actually a fire which in the Legoland Bricks kitchen, which means that was closed last night and today. Not sure how long it's going to be, but I'll keep you updated on my Twitter.